A brass moon leans on the avenue. Straight light halo split in two. Every threshold asks me, soft and low, do I arrive or let it go? There's a gate in every aisle, hinges made of nerve and doubt. One hand on the iron flap, one hand tracing exit routes. I measure enter, measure leave, the pause between the no and yes. Some doors open when you breathe, some stay still when you press. I bring my 20 in my stride, 30 in the mind's blue flame. But half the night is not decided, half the night won't say its name. Fate is like a game, turning on a hidden weight. Push a little, wait a little, give a little, resonate. Try faith, then surrender what the hands can't orchestrate. 20, 30, 50, falling till the whole becomes the way. Enter when the air feels honest, exit when the room goes cold. Stop when silence has a promise, avoid what glitters, bought and sold. Not every path deserves your shoes, not every sign was meant to guide. Wisdom wears a midnight glow and taps once on the inside. I count the odds, then lose the count. A heart can map, but not command. The lock, the key, the turn, the sound, all meet halfway in the hand. Fate is like a game, turning on the hidden way. Push a little, wait a little, hear the metal resonate. Try faith, then surrender what the hands can't orchestrate. 20, 30, 50, falling till the whole becomes a wave. So I read the frame, not just the sign. Step or stay, in measured time. When the hinge says now, I'm and let the 100 come alive. Turning on a hidden way. Push a little, wait a little, hear the metal resonate. Try to take and surrender what the hands can't orchestrate. 20, 30, 50, falling till the whole becomes a way.